Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change out the batteries in these little card readers. This is Allied Irish, this is NatWest, but you can see they're a very, very similar design. We only need a small flathead screwdriver and they each take 2 batteries and they are CR2032. It's very easy to do. If you turn them upside down and at the bottom you can see here we have a little bit here that you can put a screwdriver into. This little tray slides out and you have the batteries in. So you need to push it in here and you just need to release it. You can see it's come out just a tiny little bit there, like so. And then you pull this out here, just like that. And these are your 2 batteries. These batteries haven't failed. I'm doing this purely for the video. You can see this is marked as plus here and minus here. So you need to take them out. And then when you get your replacement ones, you're going to be putting them in. Make sure you recycle your old ones carefully. Do not let children play with them because they can be fatal. So on this one here, the top of these is positive. You can see we have a little plus just here. So that means this side here is negative. So this is the negative side. So just put that in there like so. This is the plus side because we have a little plus here. So put the plus in there like so. If you're struggling with these here, like I am, you can just lift them out like that, turn them upside down, or you can get a little screwdriver and put it in. And that is it. You're just going to slide that back in here this way around. So you can see the shape of this is shaped like the bottom, and the batteries are going to be facing you, not that way. Insert card or menu. So that one now is ready to go. With this one, it hasn't got an on-off button. So if you're too slow with that there, when it goes out, you can just activate it with a card. I'll show you that in a minute. And let me just do this one here very quickly. Same again, in here, just push in and just shove out like so. If it's a little bit stuck there, you can then get your screwdriver and you can start prying it out just from here until you get your fingers onto it. And if you have a look again, CR2032, again, plus, and this one here is minus. If you're struggling, just use your screwdriver, gently put it underneath there. Recycle them carefully, don't let any kids play with them, and then we're going to be putting the negative side in there, like so, and positive side in here, like so. That is it, and place this back in here. Just like that. Now you can see this one's gone off. I'm not going to use a proper card, I'm just using this here, but just to show you when you push this in here, it will get activated. So that is it. If this video has helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.